I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you find yourself locked out of your Airtel account, don't worry. Here is how to regain access step by step. Step 1. Visit the Airtel website. Before starting recovery, use the s.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. This will guide you to the password recovery options. Step 3. Enter your registered mobile number. Input the mobile number associated with your Airtel account. This is crucial for verifying your identity. Step 4. Receive verification code. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter this code in the provided field on the website or app to proceed. Note: make sure your phone has signal, otherwise you might not receive the code. Step 5. Set a new password. Once verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Now you should be able to log into your Airtel account again. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Airtel customer support for further assistance. Good luck!